I was cleaning up a different part of the garage today and I found this, which is my grandmother's old picture where she used to work. She worked at a kitchen in a big private school. That's her. It's probably very flattering. It's kind of cool. So today we tackled the food storage that was above our freezers right there. So the food storage is all dry food storage, pasta, flour, random canned stuff, jarred stuff that we jarred over the years, and then a bunch of random crap like filled to the brim with things that we never used. It was weird. All that wood there that you see and this wood here was piled up right in that little corner beside that freezer right there. There was a lot of other junk too, a bunch of clothing, jackets, hats, boots, like you name it. And all this useless junk, which, I mean, looks like wood, but it's like parts of old beds and baseboards that don't match. And there's no reason to keep this stuff, but my grandpa did. And then behind the stacked wood with the clock, there's a cabinet that was filled with light bulbs. So we could start a whole light bulb store because it was literally every light bulb you could think of. That's all packed up. Whatever we can sell is in a sell pile. Whatever we keep is in a keep pile. And most of it, again, was junk. Now, tomorrow, we're going to tackle this area you see behind me, which is a bit daunting. Like, I haven't touched this at all. And as you can see, it's a lot. Most of the bags you see are cans because my grandpa collects and sells cans and bottles. But in here, specifically in this other cabinet area, there's a lot of shit. Like, let me just open one, and this is something that we've cleaned a little bit, so it's not that bad, but I'm gonna give you like a cleaned a little bit kind of shot. Okay, now you got that in your mind. Still cluttered, cleaned it a little bit. Okay, now let me show you what the inside of this thing used to look like before we cleaned it a little. Now we're gonna go into the wine cellar room area. And as you can see, everything is piled to the ceiling. There's random stakes in areas to hang bags filled with crap we'll never use, and like I didn't even know what's in this area. So I'm leaving this for last when I have actual help, because this is going to be a lot of work. Mainly it's been me and my wife doing basically everything, and because a lot of people have busy schedules, I understand. So that's why I got a day when everyone's going to come over and kind of help with the big stuff and the bulk of it. But yeah, still a lot of work cut out for me. But hopefully you're enjoying these videos and they're not so boring. Hopefully you enjoy my cluttered home. Thanks to my grandfather. Here's an actual picture of my grandfather if you want to see. He grows these giant zucchinis. And he's been in a newspaper a couple times. And just before we go here, Jesus is going to make a second appearance, because I kind of like this picture. And above, we got a little burr. Well, a big burr. All right, garbage pile update. Again, it's larger. This time there's a lot of random boxes and wood and pots and pans and plastic crap that was in the garage that I cleaned out today. This is all getting taken on Sunday, so it'll all be gone and we'll start a new garbage pile. See how big we can get that one.